Hi, I'm Damien from the Allies for Black Lives Placer County. We're an organization that started right after the George Floyd murder. That's kind of when I went to my first protest. Noticed there was a lack of black individuals at the protest. So I was like, I got to get involved. I live out in this community. So that's how I got involved. From there, started as a few smaller organizations and then kind of merged into one. And that's how we became Placer County. With that, we've been doing a couple different events. Right now, we have our big Chalk It Up tour that's going on, where we're going to the different elementary schools, the different parks in the area, leaving messages of hope. Those all started from a few weeks ago. There was one of the schools in the area where somebody left some racist graffiti. So we're trying to figure out a way how to turn a negative into a positive. So we had the kids come out. We had over 120 show up and just messages of love just all up and down the sidewalk. So it was a beautiful event. From there, the school district came out. They wanted me to do all of the Rockland schools. So we're doing the Rockland schools. And now we have Eureka School District on board. And hopefully we can get some of the other school districts on board as well. Other things that we're working on is changing the curriculum in the schools. We have a little sub branch. One of my admins has a little sub branch that she's doing, and she's working on that. We just got done endorsing the ADM 6, Slate 6, Blue Wave Rising. So a lot of fun things coming up. This year is going to be a busy year. Those are the good things. On the the kind of the more serious things, we do get out and protest, and it's not always the good things that you see, but we will get out there and do the dirty work that's needed as well. We will just continue to keep fighting for a change. It's 2021. It's time for that change. We've been going backwards for so many years, and now it's just time to continue to move forward and just change the world, make this world a better place. There's no room for racism in 2021. All right, in order to get in contact with me, you can reach me either on Instagram at DJ Mastix. You can reach me on Facebook at DJ Mastix, or you can find the Facebook group, which is Allies for Black Lives Placer County on Facebook. There are 3 questions that you have to answer in order to get in the group. So make sure if you want to follow us and see what we're doing, make sure you answer those 3 questions correctly, and we will get you in there.
My name is Alma Caravarin. I am a community organizer with Placer People of Faith Together, though I have been a community organizer for a bit before I came along. And so being able to think about all the different intersectional movements that are coming together and really honoring MLK, it's like really, really awesome to see. Placer People of Faith Together is an advocacy organization. We are on the ground, so connected to the different congregations in Placer County, but we are focus on a number of issues and the policy change, really, the steps that needs to happen at a local level and a larger level in order to make some more systemic changes. Our focus goes from food security to housing affordability and access to immigration issues and social justice around that and climate change. Right now during the pandemic, we know that a lot of the focuses for like more long-term stuff have really been put on hold because of the urgency of the moment. And so currently, Placer People of Faith Together has been working along with other partners here in the county to get the communities that have been the hardest hit, where the most pain is, basically getting those resources that need to get there, trying to get the right information to the right places, and to be able to see a change, to be able to see some hope in our community. So one of the projects concretely that we're working on currently is the delivery of 3,000 kits that include face masks for both adults and children, as well as hand sanitizer and other information about how to get resources, how to get medical help and assistance for COVID issues or COVID problems for families that are in the affordable housing areas throughout the county, as well as the Latino immigrant community. So we are part of the Mask Up campaign, and we are moving this forward to the end of this month to try to get all that information and that material out. Additionally, one of our efforts right now is also the going to be moving to distribute financial assistance to about 100 to 200 families over the next 2 months in those like hardest hit areas. And we're looking for help. We're looking for folks with time, with talents, with passion for community to join us. And if you're able to call us at the 916-572-9640 number, we'll love to connect with you. And also feel free to ask, for help at that number. We are able to try to connect folks with other organizations that we're partnering and finding along the way that are here for the same reason that we are, for the people and for good, healthy, fair living for all. So thank you all for joining today. And again, happy MLK Day.
Martin Luther King Jr. once said that the ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Hi, my name is Christian. I'm a lifelong member of the Auburn Hip Hop Congress, and I also work for a company called Granite Wellness Centers. With the difficulties of the last year, a lot of people in our community have struggled and are struggling with both mental health and substance use issues. Parents, are you concerned that your teen may have a substance use problem and you need a way for him or her to make a positive change in their life? At Granite Wellness Centers, we offer a no-cost substance use prevention and early intervention program to support young people who have been referred either by their school, by their parents, or even by themselves. The opposite of addiction is connection. At Granite Wellness Centers, we offer support and connection, which is something that is lacked in a lot of communities. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction and need free and confidential information, you can call or text our hotline at area code 530-388-0359, or for more information, you can visit our website at www.granitewellness.org. Things are getting better, but it may take a while for us to get back on our feet. So it's important that our community pulls together with strength and understanding and support for all, young and old.